Welcome to our technology showcase today. I'm Crispin Cruz with Sales Arbiter. I've got John Bussey here with AbriaCloud. We're going to be talking about a little bit about AbriaCloud and the relationship with Zimbra. Thanks for joining us today, John.
Thanks for having me.
So tell us a little bit about AbriaCloud and where you started and kind of what you do today.
Okay, AbriaCloud started in the mid-1990s. We were a technology consulting firm, and over the years we've changed as our customer needs have changed and as technology has moved on. We later became a managed services provider for folks, and from that we've added to our product set over the years, and now we're a full-fledged private cloud provider.
Oh, that's great, John. So how long have you been with Zimbra? Tell me a little bit about that relationship.
Well, we started with Zimbra when Zimbra was Zimbra. That's back in the mid-2000s, before they were purchased by Yahoo, then again by VMware, and then finally Synacor. We've stayed with them over the years, started using them internally, and then eventually we moved it out to our client base, found that it was very reliable and very robust, and we've put it out there as a exchange replacement product for quite a number of years now.
That's great. That's great. So long-term relationship with Zimbra, about 12 years. And tell me a little bit about, you've integrated them into your actual own software, solution or platform, right?
Correct. We've integrated Zimbra into our Abria Office platform. Currently, right now, you can do the email, contact management, task management, and calendaring and scheduling all within one platform. We've also added video conferencing, the ability to do digital signatures and contracts online as well, along with signed emails and other types of add-ons. We've also integrated our voice services into that, so it's truly a unified communication platform.
Wow, John. I mean, even for our company, Sales Arbiter, it would be great to have a one-stop solution. I have to believe that a lot of your clients are purchasing a host of products and services from other companies, when this, the AbriaCloud Zimbra solution can be really a kind of a one-stop shop for them?
Correct. There's really no reason to go with multiple vendors when you can have everything all in one platform, one screen, even though I dislike using the term single pane of glass. The ability to be able to log into one place from any place at any time on any device and be able to obtain access to your email, your calendar, your contacts, video conferencing, CRM, any other type of application that you need all in one place.
Wow, that's really cool. That's really cool. So a little bit about, the ease of deployment, John, because, if I'm going to take, the Zimbra, all of the tools that Zimbra offers, and start to utilize those instead of my current email client, instead of my current video conferencing, provider. I'm going to want to make sure that if I'm going to make that transformation, it's not going to be too painful for me.
No, in fact, if you're comfortable using Outlook on your desktop, and you're comfortable using Apple's email product, or you have a particular mail product that you like to use on your Android device, you can stay with all of those.
Wow.
It's a drop-in replacement for, let's say, Outlook. You wouldn't know the difference as to whether or not you're on one of our servers versus being on a Microsoft server or an in-house server.
Okay, so let's talk about affordability. I mean, now that I'm bringing all of this into kind of a one-touch solution, because those are all of the tools I need to run my business, right? What are you hearing from your clients about affordability, about savings, things like that?
Depending on who you had as a provider before us, we can be saving you as much as 50 or 60% over what an existing provider would be giving you. Plus, we include the additional things that you don't normally get with other folks, like personalized interactions with us in general. The person, when you call us, if you're having an issue or you're having an integration problem, we'll take care of it for you. Normally, the person who answers the phone is going to be the person who's going to resolve your issues. We include backup. We include administrative duties that you normally would be reliant on self-service for with another provider. We'll take care of all of that for you, and we put it in one affordable package that is most likely going to be, if not the same, more likely to be less expensive than what you're currently paying.
Oh, that's great. So Zimbra and Abria is really kind of a 1-2 punch. I love it. Let's just explore that last question for a minute. Why do you feel, at least, and from what you've heard from our existing clients, why do you feel that the Zimbra and AbriaCloud, are really the best 1-2 punch combination?
Well, as we said before, we have the personalized touch with people. We have a very reliable platform. You know where your data is being stored. It's not like when you're with one of the other providers where your data could be stored anywhere,
right.
Not necessarily even on the same continent. We know that the information that you have with us is going to be stored in one of 2 data centers. We do own 2 data centers. So your data will be there. It will be backed up. It will be reliable for you to be able to access at any given point in time. And you have, once again, you have the personalized touch with us that when you call us, we're going to be the people who are going to answer your questions and resolve your issue. We don't need to take a ticket and go out to a third party and get back to you in 3 or 4 days. We'll take care of it right then and there.
That's great, John. Well, thanks for being part of our technology showcase today. Thank you for listening and watching. And if you want any more information about Zimbra or the Abria solution, please reach out to us at any time. Thank you so much. Bye now.